Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily copy pictures from your iPhone's photos gallery to the clipboard. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up photo gallery, then just search for a photo you want to copy. Let it be that one, and now in order to copy this to the clipboard you should tap right here at three dots icon and then just hit add copy. That copies photo to the clipboard, and now you can paste it wherever you want. Let it be some messenger or notes app. I'm just gonna open up Telegram app, and now I'm gonna just save it to saved messages. So I can tap a text field, hit add paste to paste it, and then I can hit on send to send this message to the conversation. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.